Hey, you're using noise reduction wrong. Don't worry, it's not your fault. Everybody's told you to use it wrong. Everybody says to leave a few seconds of dead audio at the beginning of your recording, but really you should leave a few seconds at the end of your audio because the room sound is going to get louder as you do more recording because your computer's likely to be making more noise at the end than it was at the beginning. So I always take a deep breath and hold it for a few seconds to the end of my recording like this. And then I use that section of audio to reduce my noise with noise reduction. You'll also notice I have that nice deep breath right there. And so we should probably turn that down. We can use effect. Oddly enough, to turn that down, we can use amplify and just use a negative number. We can negative that. Apply that. There we go. It disappears. Select your audio to get your noise profile. Effect, Audacity, noise reduction, get noise profile. Double click to select all your audio. Effect, Audacity, noise reduction, and apply it. And there you have it. All the audio is now noise reduced.